What's up, crafters? My most viewed vids, Amigurumi eyes drip to legit. But y'all kept asking, we need English, yo. So I AI translated Amp the Flow, hip-hop beats, stitch perfect rhymes, tutorials fresh, no lost in translation crimes. Hit play, vibe out, hope y'all ride with it. Let's crochet eyes that pop, you dig. Yo crafters, let's get this side poppin' and stitchin'. Amigurumi eyes, we ain't stoppin'. No more blank stares, we're bringing soul. From yarn picks to highlights, let's take control.
1. Choosing yarn. Cotton's tight, gives that crisp design. Acrylic's soft, perfect for that cute shine. Wool's too fuzzy? Nah, keep it sleek. Match your plush vibe, eyeballs ain't weak.
2. Creating the eye shape. Speed up the crocheting away, I bet. Magic ring, single stitch, loop, pull, repeat, increase slow, keep it round, no crease. Safety eyes, snap them tight, no slack, or stitch them shut. Yo, they ain't coming back.
Adding depth and highlights. Black thread in, swirl it deep, pupils popping, secrets they keep. Fill circles, cut them snip small. Sew them on, now they watching y'all. 4. Positioning and final touches. Space them wide, no side-eye shape, crooked gaze. That's a lame game. Tweak them, shape them, eyelash flare. Now your plush got that million-yard stare. Drop your hooks, tag your looks. Show the grid, hit subscribe. Let's level up what we did. Crafters worldwide, eyeballs unite. Peace out. Keep stitching bright.